This Olympic runner was rejected by Nike, so after retiring, he built a $9 billion running shoe brand, On Running. It all started with a simple...
Wait a minute. I'm not here to watch this video. I don't want to waste my time looking at other people's success, and I don't want you to do that as well. I'm going to show you success. How to get success by taking actions. First of all, I created a new software. Extremely proud of it because I have made all my money, almost all my money, building and selling softwares, but I never coded a single code because I was not a coder. I'm not a coder. I never coded a single line of code. That was a pain until now because AI is here. So I built this software by myself using AI. Let's make money with it. First off, instead of watching this video, we're going to take the link to this video and post it here. Click generate transcript. Don't get excited because this kind of transcript softwares are everywhere and they are freely available. So it's nothing new. What's new is coming shortly. This is the transcript, but we are not happy only with the transcript. We want to check facts, whether this story here is true or not, whether there is something else behind it. Maybe some gossip, some tension, whatever. We are going to click this reality check. And in a matter of seconds, we got some reality checked. So claim number one, the claim that Olivier Bernard built a $9 billion running shoe brand called On Running is misleading, as he is not the founder of the company. Rather, it was co-founded by Caspar Coppetti, David Alleman, and Olivier Bernard, who is a former professional athlete. Additionally, while On Running has seen significant success with a reported valuation nearing $9 billion, it is true by the way, the brand has faced criticism regarding its environmental impact. Looks like environmental impact is a common problem for everyone. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. I didn't say it's wrong. It's right. But come on, you found nothing that you go after environment only? I mean, literally, toilet papers are made with trees. Stop using toilet papers, Habibis. Particularly concerning the sustainability of its production process and materials, which some experts argue do not align with the growing consumer demand for eco-friendly products. Okay, it's kind of boring to be honest. This one is interesting. While On Running cloud technology is marketed as providing superior impact absorption and energy return through the hollow cloud pods, some experts in biomechanics and sports science argue that the effectiveness of such cushioning technologies can be overstated. Okay, so they basically want to say the technology is fake. It doesn't work. Another claim is about environmental impact and some other blah blahs. Pretty much same thing. Environment and it doesn't work. Looks like somebody hates it. Isn't this normal? Anyways, I think my software did a good job. And then I will click the next button. While the AI is doing its job, let's watch this video.
Simple question. How can a shoe make running feel easier and faster? Olivier Bernard was a 3-time Swiss Olympian who knew exactly what runners needed. Better cushioning, lighter weight, and more energy return.
Okay, and we found our own script of explaining the video, explaining the content in our way to turn it into a money-making system, step-by-step system. The name of the method is HOP PPER, Hopper, and it's a 6 steps process. Money starts to come into your pocket from the step number 3. Let me explain.
This Olympic runner was rejected by Nike, so after retiring, he built a $9 billion running shoe brand, On Running. It all started with a simple question: how can a shoe make running feel easier and faster? Olivier Bernard
So step number 1, hone your skills. Olivier Bernhard was an athlete himself. It was his own skill set. And that took him to the second step. Observe your market. Look at what others are doing and try to do something better. So where is the money?
Bernard was a 3-time Swiss Olympian who knew exactly what runners needed: better cushioning, lighter weight, and more energy return. While Nike was sponsoring him, he pitched them his idea for a new sole design. They said no. Undeterred, after retiring, Olivier teamed up with 2 engineer friends in
The money step. Pitch your idea. Don't get pitched by others. You know your skills, you know what others are doing, and you know that you can do it better. Then don't take others' pitch. Pitch your idea. It will be unique. And buyers love unique.
2010 to reinvent the running shoe sole himself. They invented Cloud Tech, hollow cloud pods that absorb impact and then spring back, giving runners a soft landing and powerful push-off.
Step number 4, persist. Team up with other experts. People will take notice of your persistence, and this will happen.
Small in Switzerland, word quickly spread. By 2020, On Running was generating over $300 million in annual revenue and was available in over 1,000 retail stores worldwide. Over 2 million runners now choose On shoes every year. What really
When you persist, you will earn money. And when you earn some money, don't be happy. It's time to go bigger.
pushed it? Tennis legend Roger Federer bought a 3% stake in the company, and after On's IPO in 2021, Roger became a billionaire. The company soared to a $9 billion valuation.
Finally, don't stay stagnant. Revise and refine your idea, because if you don't, your competitor will. So, what is your skill that you can passionately observe others and do something better yourself? Something that you are proud to pitch your idea instead of getting pitched by others. Something that you can persist with your partners, friends, and other experts. And something that people are already buying. And if you do better, you can earn money too. And you can do it for a long time, revising and refining, turning it into not just a side hustle, not only just an income stream, not only just your job replacement, something that becomes your legacy, something that you can be proud of, something that you can pass to your next generation. Did you like this video? Do you think we can give a little credit to my brand new software that gave us the story, that gave us the reality check, that gave us the interesting acronym, these steps? If yes, then you should know that these softwares, tips, tricks are available to our 99% Done For You program members. And these tools, softwares, make it easy for them to make money like this. Now, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and results are not typical. You can see different people earn different money, but these are real money. And these are real people. If you're interested about digital marketing, what we do, and our 99% Done For You program, check this website, moshbari.com, or click the link in the description or in the bio, depending on where you're watching this video from, and watch the full training video. From the training video, you will clearly learn how we run our digital marketing business and how we help 9-to-5ers, business owners like these guys earn this kind of high-ticket affiliate commission with the 99% Done For You program. This way, if you like our program, you can join. If you don't like our program, at least you learn what we do. And in any case, you can take an educated decision. But if you think that this is the best of the best program and you should join, then do not wait. But if you think you have questions, awesome. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. See you in the training. It's free to watch. And to learn more money-making methods, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.